Ever wondered what it would look like if the ocean could dance? On a serene beach where the waves kiss the shore, two beings of water emerge. They swirl and twirl, their movements reflecting the ocean's rhythm. The male, strong and fluid, channels the power of the tide. The female, delicate yet fierce, mirrors the gentle waves' embrace. Together they create a ballet of liquid elegance, a dance that speaks the language of the sea. Each step a ripple, each leap a splash. Their bodies glisten under the sun, capturing the light in a dazzling display. In their enchanting performance, we see the perfect blend of strength and serenity. It's a mesmerizing reminder of nature's artistry, a ballet that transcends time and space. So next time you're at the beach, close your eyes and listen.